Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Sir, yesterday I tried to uninstall. Can we do it yesterday once the process complete? Or
Yeah, we'll do it.
if you want, I can share the because I installed the server, sir. I'm stuck
Sure.
at SSM. What? Not SSM. What was that? Yeah, SSMS.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, because in my computer, what is the issue is going on, sir? Without writing the server name, localhost, it is taking default my profile name, Sammy Kingdom, whatever the computer name is mine.
Okay.
So can I share my screen, sir?
Yeah,
Or you
you
want to
can.
start the class? You can, sir, if you want. We can do it in the last also. Up to you, sir. Do you want me to?
Yeah, just because I guess others also have done yes. Let this look into it.
Give me a minute, sir. I'm sharing the screen. Share the entire screen. I believe you're able to see, sir. Can you see my
Yes,
screen, sir?
yes.
This is what till I stopped it here because I wanted to show you where I'm going somewhere wrong or something. So shall I install the SSM, sir? Do you want me to click?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, here in the connection string, the server localhost slash SQL Express 01. Here, what is the server? That only it's accepting while launching it.
Yeah,
It
Express 01, it is mentioned here.
yeah, if we give the entire thing only, it's launching. Otherwise, it's raising an error that the instance name is not matching. Here, it's instance name is also SQL Express 01.
So here also you
If
can see, sir, the install.
only if we give only the local host, it's rising an error.
I think sir should.
Okay. Yeah, so just give like try to install HTML. Let's see.
Because one more question, sir. What I was saying, the this host Sammy Kingdom hyphen slash
Yeah,
Sammy
that is your basically it's your laptop
name profile.
configuration.
Yes,
Yeah,
profile.
laptop profile name. That is not an issue there.
Do you want me to install?
Yes.
Okay. I think even this is installed in my downloads is this. Yesterday only I have done it. So let's go here. And this is the one, right? Even we can save time in this. Oh, before you get started, we need to set a few things. Continue. Okay. Please let me know sir, if I'm anywhere wrong.
Yeah, I will do it. Until now, everything is fine. Okay. Here you select uh,
All four?
your, yeah, just select also. That's not a problem.
Normally we have to select or is it?
It's fine. So you can select, like, if you select even one, that is also fine. But it just, uh, you can select all the four. That's not a problem.
Okay. Uninstall.
Yes.
I think it will happen soon, sir. Should not take much time.
Yeah. So,
Developer node.
Happen?
No, no, nothing. Download is done. Now installing the package.
You're done?
Yeah, it is 99%.
Okay.
It's finishing up, it says.
Okay. Yes. Can you repeat it?
Do you want me to launch it?
Yeah, just one.
I do have Git. So is it then which one is a preferable? So sign with Microsoft or GitHub?
Uh, GitHub is fine. If you have a GitHub, yesterday you have created GitHub account, right?
Yes, I created.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. GitHub it will work. Even I have done it with GitHub, so that's not a problem.
What is this happening? See? It's taking time today. Why is it taking time, sir? This may never happen.
The internet trying to be happening.
Mm, don't think it should be anything. It should be. You want me to wait or cancel and try again?
Just wait for it. Like it's almost done, I guess.
Okay.
Maybe you can try connecting your charger like, when the
Okay.
power is also low. Basically, the system performs.
I plugged
A
it.
bit slow. Yeah. Just plugging.
Oh, hmm. It said directly finish.
Yeah. Yeah. Just want it.
Again launch?
Yeah. Right there. Yes.
We are excited to introduce a new connection dialog box for preview for your online database
Yeah.
in the UI.
Just click on.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
There the window open completely different. Oh,
Yeah.
again sir,
Okay.
again it's
So
coming the name on this only.
the the default one is the kingdom.
Do you remember sir? Let me show you the picture again.
Yeah. 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 It was really
And this was a screenshot. I have taken the
happened.
screenshot.
Yeah.
Defaultly it's taking sir. This is the third time I have installed from yesterday till now. Before installing it, can you see this? It's written SQL Administrator Sammy Kingdom slash Sammy. It is taking default name. So this is not an issue,
Okay.
right?
This is some kind of. Okay. Just try to connect it. What's happening when you try to connect it?
It will connect, sir. It will connect easily, sir. There is no issue. Just this one,
Just connect it.
trust the server and connect. It's connecting directly. That's it.
Yeah, okay. Did you do it in some
For me,
in
there is
some
no
dark
issue.
mode or something? Okay. Your server is running, right? So
Yes.
that will not make give an issue. It is
Oh. Why this pop-up window is outside, sir?
that should be merged basically.
That's
It
what.
should be merged in the. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is merged. Right. Now it's fine.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
It will be merged. That's not a worry. When we start writing our first database, then when we first create a database, then it will directly merge. That's not a problem. Okay, just click on new query.
Click on
New query.
new query. Okay.
Okay, I believe that should merge your.
Not merging.
uh,
When I'm moving it, it's
Just,
giving an option, sir, but I don't know why it is
just click on the like the middle one before like
this one.
beside delete. Yeah, what is that?
It is
Oh, that
going
is
full screen.
maximize. Okay, and yeah,
Arrow mark
anything.
if
Yeah,
I think float is
what is doc? Click on doc. What happens if you click on doc?
it came down.
Yeah. Just pull it beside, like just drag it till sidewards. Just come in. If you drag it to the side.
Going full screen.
Oh, okay. Just dock it. Like it's fine. Let it be down. Dock as tab document. Just dock as if you what is happening if you dock as tab document.
Right click, tab document. It is coming in a one tab, single tab.
Okay,
Or do I have to open this and get it into this page?
that basically will not be a should not be a problem.
It's okay, sir. Let's continue the class.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
this is taking time
Then
now.
dock it. Yeah. What about other participants?
I think
Are you guys?
yesterday Monica was facing the problem to connect it, sir, because she tried it, as you said, local server, local host with the brackets open and close. But
Yeah.
also there was an error yesterday, sir. I don't know if she's there. You can ask her what happened, but I'm not sure.
With Monica.
Yeah, if I give the server name as localhost slash SQL Express, then it's working. because it's saying that instance name is not matching. While installing there,
Okay.
we were shown
We
that
get the instance name. Yes, yes, yes.
uh, we should use
Uh,
that one.
Now, is it matching?
Yeah, yeah, it's fine now.
Okay. So, is it like did the rest of the participants just install the SSM servers and SSM Studio?
I did so.
What about Mansi, Durga Prasad, and Santosh?
Hi. Yeah, actually, am I audible?
Yes, Mansi. You're audible.
Actually, I could not attend yesterday's class.
Okay.
I haven't downloaded that, but I do have my SQL workbench. So is it fine if
My
I?
SQL workbench. It is fine, but I would prefer you just install Microsoft Server.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I'll do it. Can I?
Just go through the recordings. Just
Okay.
go through yesterday's recordings. And so, did you guys get the LMS access?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we do have.
Okay. Yeah. So I guess this module will be added in your LMS. So just like you can just go through the yesterday's recordings
Oh,
in which
okay. Sure.
which have clearly explained about how do we install the Microsoft SQL Server as well as the SSMS, that is the studio as well. Okay.
Okay. Oh, sure. I'll go through that.
Yeah. Okay. So shall we just create a first database?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Give me a second. I'll just open my SSMS.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Chandana.
Yeah, I have some doubts here.
Sure,
So
Chandana.
when I open into Microsoft SQL, so it is showing like connect to server. So I don't have any account like GitHub or Microsoft. So where to connect to server?
So you might be having the GitHub account, sorry, your Microsoft account.
No,
Uh,
I don't have any account. I don't work still now. No, that's why I
no,
don't have any account.
no, while we log into our computers, right? Like when we set up our laptop,
Yeah.
we basically uh, have with the Microsoft account as well. We do it. So you might be having Microsoft account.
Oh no, I don't think
No.
so. No, no, I don't have any account. I just click on skip and add accounts later when I am downloading SQL. No?
Okay.
So
So
mm,
is it working?
yeah, I just got SQL dashboard, but I don't connect it to server. I have some problem. Can I share my screen?
Sure.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. See, getting like this. So when I click on here, so I'm getting like Microsoft GitHub. I don't have both accounts.
Like
So when I just
just
click
click
on,
on new query where you have new query.
yeah, new query also,
So she
I'm
has an
getting like,
Okay.
so she
Now
has an
just connect it. Yes, sorry.
I think when she clicked on sign in, she has a Microsoft account which is connected with Windows and
no, no, that's my friend's one, not mine.
but you can use it. It is in your computer, no? It won't ask you anything. This one, the
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
No, no, it's my friend. No, why? How I will like?
Okay,
Okay.
close it.
Yeah,
So just click on new query here. Just click on new query and try to just connect it.
We should
it is
click on.
showing.
So we should click on Trust Server Certificate.
Oh yeah. Just click on that.
Okay,
Yeah. Now just click on the connect.
okay.
Just wait for time.
Yeah,
Just
on.
connect.
Yeah,
Just
I got
connect.
it. But I have one doubt.
Yeah.
So without any accounts, also we can use SQL, right?
Yeah. We can. We can go with
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
So let's start by creating our first database, right?
Okay.
So just click on.
So my question, sir, whenever we, as you said in the SQL, we are trying to create a database. In a real time also
Okay.
it happens like this only. So we have to create a database.
Yeah, we have to basically create a database in real time as well.
Okay. So this is
Okay.
happening exactly what in real time happens.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So as you can see, this is basically in the master database. Okay. These are the available databases where, as you can see, the default database is in master database. Now, to basically, uh, when we have to uh, move into some other database, we basically first create the database. Okay. So we use the create and then database, database. Then uh, our database name you would prefer.
So the blank space is going to be the blank space. It's after create space database.
Sorry?
We don't use it underscore in this, sir.
No, 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 no. We
Okay.
just give spaces. So what do you want to give the name for the database as? Any example?
First, we can give any. This is the first instance we are creating, so we can give first DB.
First DB.
Yeah.
Okay. First DB. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
DB
So when
DB
we basically
is data
DB is basically the
database.
database. Okay. So you can give any random name. That's not a problem. You can just keep as first. You can, uh, if to make it more precise, we are giving this as first database. Okay. Now we have to basically select the entire thing and execute it. Here you see,
Yes.
we have to execute it. So what basically happens, as you can see, command
Completed. Completed
completed
successfully.
successful. Okay. So it's now what we have done first, it is basically create the database has been created. Okay, first DB has been created. Can you see the first DB
Yes.
database? It has been created. Now to use the database, okay, what is the query to use the database? That is use
Use first
first
DB.
DB. As you can see, we are even getting the prompt to it. Okay, and then what do? We just select that and
Execute.
execute it. Okay,
First
as you can see,
executed and
commands completed, successful, right?
yes.
Now, did this change? First, what was it, what was here? It was
Master.
Master.
master, right? Now it has changed to first
First
DB,
DB.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, what shall we do? Shall we create table in our database,
Yes.
right? So that is the next step. So how do we create a table? Using the create
Create
method. Okay, that is create
table.
table. What do you want to keep the table name as?
Sample DB.
Example of, sorry,
Sample DB.
sample DB. Okay,
Database.
not a problem. Okay. Now, what do you want to store in the DB?
Or like name,
Store name. You want to store
name, email ID, phone number,
email ID and phone
gender.
number, right?
Yes.
So for that, you basically need to
Insert.
give
Open the
uh,
bracket.
your so basically name comes under. First, you need to create the table, right?
Yes.
So let's create first the name table, and name is basically what it is. It comes under string, right?
String.
So we will give as var.
Variable.
Okay,
Oh wow.
very varchar. Okay, so how many characters must the name contain of?
8.
Sorry,
8 characters minimum.
uh, minimum of 8 characters. Why can't we give like around
Excuse me, sir.
20?
We can
We can write 50, 20,
Yeah,
30,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
any.
I was just going to do that. Okay, we will just give us uh 20. Okay, so that is var char. Okay, var char we have given as
20.
20. Okay, and
Gender.
your what do you want to give?
Gender.
Gender, gender. So that again comes under your
Barchar.
var char, right? Var char. So how much will that be?
5. 5 to 6. I'll go with
5 to 6.
20.
But that's not a problem. We can.
So we have to keep it in a bracket, right, sir?
We have to keep it in the brackets.
Okay.
Okay. And shall we take some age?
Age,
Shall we
yes.
give some numbers,
Yes.
right?
Age.
So
Varchar.
yeah.
20 again.
Oh, sorry. So age is
Age
now
is a number, right?
it's a
So
number, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
we have to put it in integers. Okay.
Mm.
We just mark it as int. Okay.
Okay.
And what else do you want? Email?
Yes.
Email. Okay. Let's just use varchar for that as well. So that is So let's get this 25. Okay, and we will close it. Now we'll just execute this.
We need to select and execute.
Yeah, we need to select and then execute it. Okay, so always whenever you try to execute it, just select the uh, entire
Line.
line and then execute it.
And completed successfully.
Okay, or else if you just execute this, now it is okay. If you just execute this, you will get an error saying first DB already exists, choose a different database name, and so on. Okay, so it's better like the usual way is basically to execute this. So this is already an object name. So we have already created the object, right? So it's not taking up the another object.
So once the table is created, can we change the length of the strings?
Sorry?
We can, I think she's asking we can change the length of the strings.
I think
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can
we can.
alter. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we can. That's not a problem. Okay. So I'm just going from the basics. So we will start from the basics and we'll just see how do we insert into the table. Okay. So here we have insert
Into the
into
sample DB.
uh, sample
DB.
DB. Sample DB. Okay. So what do you want to enter?
Name as my name SAMWE.
We have name.
We have to write it again, name, sir.
Yeah, you just need to write this as name.
Age,
And then what is the next?
gender,
Gender. Gender,
Age,
age,
comma, int,
and then we have
email.
email. Okay.
once we
And
created the
then
table, then inserting.
next we basically do is we get its values. Okay. Right? So what should be entered in this place? Okay. So varchar is nothing but it's a string, right?
Yes, string.
So we have to give it in single quotation. Okay. So can you just tell me some name?
SAMWE,
SAMEE.
age
Okay.
30, gender male.
Age
Male, sir, sorry.
30.
Sorry, male gender.
Okay. And okay, this
MALE.
should also be written in.
So each and everything we should write it in a strings.
Unless it's in a varchar.
Okay.
If it's in a string, we have to write it in uh, double quotation. If it's an int, we can just write it down. Okay, let's suppose now age. It's an integer, right?
Integer.
So you directly write it as 30. Okay,
Yes.
and again you have your
Sammy at
Email.
gmail.com. SAMWE
SAMEE
at gmail.com.
@gmail.com. Okay, now we have given this. Let's just execute it. Okay, one row affected. As you can see,
Yes.
now how do we display this row?
Sir,
How do we
read it.
show it in the database? Yes, how it is shown.
Display command.
Select.
Now we use select. right?
And select from and then table name.
Select
Star
star from
Sample DB.
sample DB.
sample. Okay, let's just see. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
First we
So
created a
this is how,
table. When we inserted into the table gender, then values. Right.
right?
Yes, sir. We
So
did
this
three
is
tasks
how
and we
we
are able to see it.
create
And if you
a
want,
database.
and if you want to add anything, do changes, we can do it in this three columns, right, sir? In a create table and insert table and the values.
Yes. So now if you want to basically add one more uh
Enter.
like one more row, you just need to basically write it here. Okay.
Okay. In this way, we can add as many as. Uh,
As many as you want.
okay.
Uh,
Abdul,
Abdul. Okay.
mail.
And,
So mail schedule.
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Then
30.
30
Abdul@gmail.com.
Abdul at
At gmail.com.
gmail.com. Okay. So you just need to select this again. So,
Execute.
execute.
We didn't got, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just select this.
Correct.
Okay. Now two rows got
It's affected, yes.
affected.
To execute, we can have to.
Yeah.
Execute.
How do we say that? So we have to let me
ऐसे
repeat it.
अभी
Sorry.
Because
Be
I
able.
think we have executed second time also, right? So that
Yes, yes.
considered as
So
a
what
one more
what
entry.
has happened? Yes, we have executed this again. So that is the reason that's considered as one more entry.
How do we remove it, sir, now then? If that is a mistake.
So you can just remove this. And
So can we use update?
yeah, you can do that. I'm just for now we are just seeing how do we do this. Even then, it will be reflected. Like when you see,
Yes.
even then we get all the database, including the fourth database.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how you
So
create
this
a sample.
so this means how many times we are gonna select it and execute it, it's gonna show us again and again that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So first we'll try to understand how do we create a database. So
Yes.
let's just go with the from the scratch, because now again if I start teaching you guys update and how do we alter, and then it'll become like again it'll be a complex thing for you guys.
Yes.
So I just wanted to start it from the scratch, because here they are even some of them are even from non-technical background. So
Yes, sir.
understanding for them it is a bit confusing. It might be confusing. So I just wanted to start it from the scratch. Okay. So online participants, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we created a tables in this. Firstly, we created a database, then we created a table, and in that we have
Yeah.
inserted a what
Table
we
entry
table,
entries.
then values, and then we executed this. Data also, yes. 1, 2, 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Now, will you guys do it?
Yes, sir, we'll do this.
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna create this database.
So, uh, will you guys try it for a student registration form or something?
We can do it for anything now, sir.
Yeah, you
Yes.
can do it for anything.
Okay.
Let's suppose now I want it for, uh, let's suppose a student wants to join Digital 5. Okay. So, what is the information which we require? The first is name, right?
Name, gender,
And then gender, it's again, it's
course will
optional.
be there. Course.
Sorry?
What course? Course.
Yes.
Which course?
Okay. Name and then course
Duration.
and duration again, it depends. So,
Em
phone number,
email ID.
okay. And we'll get his email, mm, address,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you guys try creating a table for this?
Yes, sir, I'll do.
Okay. Just try creating. Let's see.
Now, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Open this. System for me.
I haven't installed this Microsoft SQL Studio. So
Uh,
this is
yeah.
my first class. So I'll
Okay.
install it and I'll do it later.
Sure, 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 sure. Okay, Sandesh, no problem.
So firstly, if you want to create a database, so we have to click it on new query, right?
Yes. First, you have to click on new queries
And then create.
and then create your database. Okay. Here you see you have a new query. Just
Yes.
first create and then you have to use, then
Database.
create a table inside the database. Okay.
So is it, it should be in a small letters or big letters? So the database you have written in a small.
And that is fine. So this is not basically, it doesn't, like, it's not case sensitive. So it's fine if you write a database in small or in caps. It doesn't matter.
Create table.
Sir, I need SQL recording classes.
Yes, that will be provided by the support team. Just can you just uh, ask the support team once?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Maheshwaran, like how many days? I mean, since when these classes are going on for SQL?
Yes, just yesterday.
Okay,
I just
so
started yesterday, so that's not a problem.
okay, fine then. Yeah.
Yeah. So I will be going from scratch. Not nothing to worry.
Okay, yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
Backer course, gender, age. Insert into insert into URSC course.
Did everyone complete?
Almost, sir.
Oh,
Can you scroll it up, sir? Can I see the first line?
Yeah.
So for phone number, what will be the data type?
Phone number, it is basically digits, right? So it will be in int.
But it's saying arithmetic overflow.
Just
Arithmetic
keep as
over.
phone. Just keep as phone and then put int uh, as
I mean,
the
I'm trying to insert it. It's 10 digits, right? It's
yeah.
rising, it's an flow.
That should not be a problem.
Excuse me, sir. Can we use a space bar or do I need to use a underscore
A space,
for phone
space.
number? Is it possible to use a space because we doesn't use space? Either way, we need to use underscore, right?
Space should work.
Might be because I always get an error for that. So I always prefer to use the underscore then.
Okay, for you're telling for a phone and number.
Phone number, yeah, phone number.
Yeah. For that you have to basically use underscore.
Yes, right.
You're telling this, right?
Yeah, now it's gonna work.
Uh, for this you basically you need to use underscore.
Create a table. Sir, can I see the first line, sir? Create a database, one line.
Sure.
First DB, okay. So I need to take complete name here. Digital UDRF. Right. Table sample name. So firstly, after creating this, can I directly go on select star from the whatever the sample DB and execute, or I have to firstly do it for each and every line? And
You can do it.
I didn't
You
do
can
because
do yeah.
can I share my screen?
Sure.
Where I'm okay. Are you able to see, sir? Are you able to see? Sir?
Now we can't see your screen.
I did share my screen.
Yeah, we can say.
I didn't create anything. I mean, I did not execute anyway. I firstly created all the data what I needed, creating a table, creating a database name, using the table name and everything. So can I directly go select this and execute? So it is going to create the database and run the table inside the table.
No, you haven't selected any, created anything right from beginning. So I think you have to select everything and then execute.
From here, from create,
Yes. Am I right, Mahesh
Yes,
sir?
fine.
Yes. First go to first create database.
one by one
Okay.
line.
Uh,
No. I think you can try select all and execute. I
yeah,
guess it will create everything at a time.
I'm doing it.
it should happen.
Does not exist.
Database does not exist.
We
Yeah.
need to
Okay.
create
Yeah.
data.
Yeah.
So
Line by line we need to execute,
line
I guess.
wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Line
it's
by
in master database, right?
yes,
Correct.
yes.
Yes.
That's what
So
Yes.
even I was having a question, but I thought, how about if I select all and do it?
yeah.
Then
That's it.
Do you prefer? Is it always we need to do individually, or can we select all the whole thing and click on
I,
execute?
we
Uh,
tried just now, right? I think it didn't
we
work.
just tried, but
no, the
it's not working in that way.
but my problem was first and foremost I didn't created a database also no, by
Yeah,
digitally.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
If I
yeah.
have created a database from
Yes.
here, I can do it, right?
Yes.
What is
So
what is the error? Do I have to do it even for the values also?
Select it from insert to till the second row.
Select
Yeah. 7 and 8, right?
Yeah, 7 and 8 both.
both at a
Not a
time.
problem. Yeah,
Nine.
it's not a problem.
No, it is incorrect syntax.
No,
Maybe
select it from
it
insert
needs to
to
select the
till
values.
7th
10th
to
line.
10th
Yeah.
line.
till here.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Execute it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, two rows affected.
Yeah,
And now
Now
if I
just
select this last one,
select this star and then
execute.
execute it.
this is gonna create.
Okay.
Yes.
I think sir said this only, right? Name, course, age, address.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you
Import
guys.
space
Thank you
address.
everybody. Because
The process done.
I wanted to know because even I wanted to just create it from here only and execute it, but I didn't do it
Yeah.
because I thought we can do it by all. But we
Okay.
firstly
Okay.
we have to create the database.
First, yes, because first it will be in the default master database. So
Mm,
you need to change the database first, and then you have to use that particular database.
yeah, yeah, I
So,
understand.
and then you can go with your,
So,
that will be
I have one doubt. Like we
sure,
have created a database, right?
sure. Yeah.
So always we need to go on the left side and select the database where we are working, and then we need to write all the queries, or do
Mm,
we need to create
No,
database
no, no,
again?
no, no, no. You can directly start writing.
Start writing. So what about the database which I am using? Do I need to select that one on the left hand side?
Uh, I didn't get you. Just can you just Sammy, can you just share the screen once? Yeah. Can you tell me now, Nana?
Yeah, I'm having a doubt. Like create database, digital edify. Yes,
85.
created, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, this 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 database is already created, right? Whenever
Yes.
I'm gonna choose, like I'll create a table and then insert all the values. Do I need to create one more time database, or the
No, no, no.
database type what
You can go with the
from
second step.
can I
That is, you can just start. You can just write use the digital edify. Like you can use the second line. That is the use method to
so
get
use method?
into
That's it.
the
So
database.
is it another way like we are not using use keyword and we are selecting the database from the side from the left hand side and then we
You're
are using.
Here also you have
Can
right
we do it with that
the
one?
the digital edify like Your starting the drop down which you have.
Yeah.
Sammy, can you just click on the drop down? No, the above database drop down. Above that, yes. Here you see you have all the databases. So you can directly click on the
Yes.
database and you can start using it.
Yes. Then we can run it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that was the one.
Yeah.
And sir, can you let me know what are the database we can see after digital edify, like master model, everything is there. For what purpose we use it? Those databases.
So those are the system databases. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, that is when you install your packages, right? At that point,
Yeah.
you will be getting the system databases.
Like I'm having a doubt, like master database. Is it something different is stored in that database, or is it the same thing is stored in the database? Like one is
Uh,
master model. I'm going to.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
uh, I'm getting a
Echo.
echo.
Is it
Is it?
okay? Are
Yeah.
you? Am I audible?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you give me a difference, like, well, for what purpose model database and master database?
Okay. So basically, master database is what does master database do is it basically keeps what do you say? Under master database, you have all these databases like your Digitally and then your all other uh, SQL databases come under master database. Okay, so it basically uh, it keeps track of your SQL instances.
In case if you are creating a new entry, I think first entry it will be updated in the master and then followed by the other
Yes,
instances, right?
yes, yes,
Slave
yes,
slave
yes, yes.
databases.
Yep.